we'll guide you through how to use Replit for free. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Replit website at replit.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner. You can sign up using your Google account or by entering your email and password. Once you're signed up and logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you can start a new project by clicking the Create button, which you'll find at the middle of your screen. You'll be prompted to choose a template. Replit supports a wide range of programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and more, so pick the one that suits your project. After selecting a template, give your project a name and hit Create REPL. Now you're in the Replit editor. You'll see a code editor in the center, a file explorer on the left, and a console at the bottom. You can write your code in the editor and then click the Run button at the top of the page to execute your code. The output will appear in the console at the bottom. Replit also allows you to collaborate with others in real time. You can invite friends or colleagues by clicking the Invite button and sharing the link. If you want to explore more features, head over to the Packages tab on the left to add libraries to your project, or check out the Version Control tab to manage changes with Git. Remember, as a free user, you can create public repls, but private repls might require an upgrade. That said, there's plenty you can do within the free tier, especially for learning and small projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.